Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this gorgeous carrot ginger cake. Fam, this cake is amazing. Kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to click the notification button. So I'll be creaming some butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy. And I'll be adding some oil. I'll leave all the measurement in the description box below. Don't forget to take a look at that. And I'm going to whip that up together until smooth. Yep, just like that. Now I'm going to be adding my eggs one by one. I used 4 eggs actually. So just one by one until everything has been fully incorporated. Fam, this recipe is foolproof. It's amazing. Like, I can't stop gushing about it. Oh my god. Anyway, so I'm adding some vanilla. Like, what is carrot cake without vanilla? Like, you just tell me. This cake is flavorful. So once that has been whipped up into our dry ingredients, I have some flour, some cinnamon, some baking powder, baking soda in there. So I'm going to like fold that up in just like that, yeah, until it's fully mixed. Now for our star ingredient, some grated carrot and ginger. Yes, you heard me, grated carrot and ginger, freshly grated. So I'm going to like mix that up. So I went further and added, as it was thick like this, I was like, let me just add the teensy weensy bit of milk, which is very optional. So I added about 1/8 milk inside it to get to this texture, and I transferred it into my prep bowl. Oh my god. And did the same for the cupcakes and baked it for about 55 minutes, and it's ready, guys, at 200 degrees. So let's slice that up and just look at how gorgeous it looks. Fam, look at this. The moistness of this cake was just off the roof, so fluffy. Jesus, now look at it. There is no filter in this. I just took it outside to get a better lighting, and this is what it looks like, literally. I had this with some tea. My friends had it with coffee. So thank you so much for watching and going on this journey with me. Until next time. Mwah.